Hey, welcome back to our channel. In this video I will show you how to turn off autoplay on X. So open X application on your device and then you want to tap your profile picture in the top left corner of the screen. Now let's scroll down to settings and privacy, and then from the list of sections you want to find accessibility, display and languages, and then go to section data usage. And finally find option that's called video autoplay. You want to tap here and select never. Alternatively, you can select only on Wi-Fi so that autoplay was allowed only when you're connected to your Wi-Fi network. Or, as I said, you can select never option. So yeah, that's basically it. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.